This is a RHL 8.5 server, and in this video we are going to discuss about the memory used in Linux. First we will discuss what are the types of memory available in Linux and what is the use of that memory. Then we will learn about the commands using which we can check the memory used in Linux. First we will discuss the type of memory. There are two types of memory available in Linux. One is the memory that we have allocated to the server, that is the physical memory, and second is the swap memory. So what is the swap memory? Swap memory is the space allocated from the hard disk. This is the hard disk. This is the space we have to allocate to work as a swap memory, and the swap memory will act as a physical memory when the physical memory utilize 100%. That means when the physical memory will utilize or consume 100%, at that time swap memory will act as a physical memory to keep alive the server. So this is the use of the swap memory, and swap memory is the some space that we have to allocate to work as a physical memory. Clear? Now we learn about the commands using which we can check the use of the memory in Linux. So friends, before starting this video, let me tell you, I am going to start a RSCSA batch. It's a full course and the course fee is very minimal, that is 499 rupees. And if you're registering this course, you are going to attend 20 classes. Each class hour is 1 hour and 30 minutes. You are also get all class recordings as well as the PDF materials. Registration link given in the description section. Please go and register yourself. Now we will check the commands using which we can check the memory used in Linux. So first command is cat slash proc, then mem info. You can see using this command we can check the details about the memory. Here it is giving some output, but all outputs are in KB. So it is little bit difficult to understand. So if you want to filter out the command, filter out the output, we have to use the command grep minus minus color mem cache swap from the slash proc slash memory info. Hit enter. You can see this is the filtered output, and here it is showing the total memory, free memory and available memory. Also it is showing the swap memory, but you can see this output comes in KB, so it is little bit difficult to understand. So to understand the uh, memory utilization in a human readable format, we have to use the command free. You can also see here output is little bit difficult to understand. So to make the result in a human readable format, we have to use the command free minus m. Sorry, free minus h we have to use. You can see it is giving me the result in a human readable format. So here it is giving 1.7 GB, that is the memory I have allocated to the server. This is the used memory, this is the free memory, this is the swap memory, that is 4 GB, then free memory is 4 GB. So using the free minus h command, we can check the memory utilization in a human readable format. Please remember, in a human readable format. And if we use the free and free minus m, it will show the result, but it will show a MB and KB. This is the result in KB, and this is the result in MB, and this is the result in GB. That means using the free minus h, we can check the result in a human readable format. Now we will learn the other commands using which we can check the utilization of the memory. That is called the top. Using top also, you can see here it is showing the utilization of the memory. Here it is showing swap memory and physical memory details. Here it is showing. And if you want to check the memory utilized by a process, you can see here the column. Here it is showing the utilization of the memory, which process consuming how much memory. Now if you use the capital M directly here, you can see now it is sorted the memory utilized by the services, which services consuming more memory. It is showing in the top, and in the list you can show in a decreasing manner. It is showing the processes, those processes using the memory, higher memory, then lower, it is arranged in a decreasing manner. So this is the uh, service, this is the service here you can see, and this is the process ID also you can notice here, and this is the way we can use the top command to check the memory using the Linux. So friends, these are the two commands we can use to here you need to use the Q to come out from the top. So these are the three commands we have to use. First command is cat/proc/mem info, using which we can check the memory information. But if you want to filter out the command, you can see this is the command using which we can filter out the memory, cache and swap information. Second command is free. Using free, it will show the result in KB. So we have to use free minus h to see the output in human readable. Then third command is top. Using the top command, we can check the memory utilization, swap memory details, also the process which is using more memory, that is also we can see in the using the top command. So friends, this is all about the uh, commands using which we can check the memory using Linux. So I hope you are enjoying this video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.